As Scooter Gennett goes deep to right. That is way back. And Scooter hits one out to put the Brewers on the board. His second home run on this road trip. Wow. And a little guy putting up some big power recently for the Crew.
Second deck out there in right. And not bad for number 9 hitter. What do you think of that DH now? Scooter Gennett putting a charge into a Ogundo fastball. Wow. It'll surprise you. He's getting the silent treatment now. Look at that. That might be one of the longest silent treatments I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's extended. That's even surpassing the Logan Schaefer silent treatment. Not one soul has congratulated him.
I like to put a clock on this silent treatment. This is like epic.
It is.
I've never seen one that long.
Aoki takes a strike, and there they go. That was great.